This is a guided tour of the Bali International Airport. I'm going to be giving you a guided tour so you will be able to get to baggage claim to retrieve your luggage. I'm going to show you how to get to ground transportation so you can catch your Rideshare or other modes of transportation. Perhaps someone is going to be picking you up. So sit tight and hope you enjoy this tour. As you see, I just arrived at the airport, and immediately, before I even got to baggage claim, there are people waiting with signs. Now, these people that you saw to the left, they were going to help the people who probably paid for it, the service, with their luggage, as well as get to their desired transportation to get away from the airport. But I'm going through the airport right now, and as you can see, there's lots of signage within the airport to guide you to where you want to go. Now, one of the things that really surprised me about the airport is its beauty. I was thinking that the Bali International Airport would not be this modern looking, but I was wrong about that. As you can see, they put a lot of detail in the decor, the architecture, as you'll see as I go more through the Bali International Airport. And everything looks modern. A lot of things are in English, so English readers will find comfort in coming to the Bali International Airport because you'll be able to pick up on the language and navigate your way through the airport accordingly. I'm just going through the airport right now, and if you look to the left, there is, I believe, a duty-free store. You can find duty-free stores in pretty much every major airport within the world. And if you look towards the ceiling, you'll see the architecture. They really did something to it. It's not just a basic design. They really put some thought into it. Everything, as you notice, is quite clean and new. And the signage on the left, what does that say? I believe that is some sort of restaurant. As I walk through the duty-free store, I believe that's duty-free, I believe on the left. Actually, they're just different types of stores, I'm mistaken. Walking through, the floors seem clean, mopped, swept. The stores seem very organized. I believe that is a sign down there. Is that Aladdin? I believe I'm not entirely sure. You'll find the modern amenities as you go along. I believe that's a coffee shop to the right. Starbucks, for those of you who need your caffeine fix. Rest assured that the Bali International Airport has Starbucks to where you can get your coffee fix and perhaps get a Danish on your way out. I always like checking out Starbucks in different places throughout the world and notice subtle differences between them all. They usually have their own distinct coffee and items that they sell. Now, as I walk into this main area right here, this larger area, you can see the architecture by just tilting your head up and looking at the ceiling. See, it has some sort of wavy design for the ceiling, very high. Customer service, I'm passing to the left. For those of you who have questions, there's customer service kiosk located throughout the airport, as well as signage that is clearly written out. If you look up, you can see. And I'm navigating my way through the airport, getting closer to baggage claim. These marble floors, really nice looking. Maybe they're not marble, they look marble. Marvelous. To the right, seems like drivers for hire that have already been hired with signage to let those who have hired them know that that particular person is their driver. There's lots of them sitting right outside waiting for potential not potential, actual hires or passengers to be picked up and taken to their desired destination. As I go through this, you can see people with their luggage going down the aisle, and there are lots of drivers waiting on the right. Very uniquely designed airport. And I'm just walking through, a lot of people waving, directing, I believe that's security showing where to go, guiding me towards baggage claim, which I'm trying to get to. Almost seems like a maze, but actually I went a different way, and you can see outside, that's where you can pick up a cab or whatnot. And I'm just following the yellow brick road. There's a taxi right there. Taxi service, you'll see that there are taxis for hire. You can locate these towards the exit of the building. Taxis for hire. I'm just going to cross the street. And as I go across the street, notice a difference is this is how I got to ground transportation. And that's the Bali International Airport. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.